Let me start this car up, man, and I'm stranded. Man, I really like those stripes on the front of this car, bruh. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, man, I got a couple issues going on with my charger today. One, my key fob battery is dead again. For some reason, this thing has been going dead like every 2-3 months. I don't understand why, but it's going dead. Then last night, when I turned my car off, I noticed that one of my headlights was out. So today we got to check out what's going on with that. So right now I'm about to go to the gym, and then we're gonna I'm gonna open the hood and check this light out and see if this light is still out. If so, I'm gonna have to go get that replaced. So let me start this car up, man, and see, key fob not detected. See that? And that's because of the battery. Let me try it again. Nope. No hops. Nothing. I'm stranded. God damn, bruh. I thought I had an extra battery for my key fob, but I think I already used it. So if I can get this car started, I'm gonna have to go straight to Walmart and get a key fob battery, because there you go. I ain't trying to get stranded nowhere. So I'm about to go get a battery for my key fob, and then we're gonna check out this headlight and see what's going on, man. So let's go. Rain, that's all key to rain though. Oh. Alright guys, so I called a dealer and the service department is closed, so I'm gonna have to wait until tomorrow to be able to fix my light. Now I know I can go to AutoZone and just buy a replacement, rather buy a Mopar bulb and keep everything OEM, so I don't have no issue. Alright guys, it's currently the next day and I got some information on the headlight. You're not gonna believe how much it's gonna cost to replace my headlight. Now this is if I go to the dealership. Now I really thought this guy was joking when he told me how much it's gonna cost to replace the bulb, not the whole unit, not the whole light, just the bulb, the HID bulb. My car got the HID headlights on it. This dude told me it's gonna cost $400 to replace just the bulb in my Dodge Charger, man. $400. Now, the regular bulbs that come, the bulbs that come in the regular Chargers that don't have the HID kit in their headlights, it's only like $20-something. But the bulb itself for my car is $255. And then they're gonna charge me $400 just to put the light bulb in. That's just ridiculous, bro. But as you can see, I'm one-eye Willie right now, man. And it gets dark earlier. It gets dark now at 5 o'clock. So I gotta ride around with one eye until I can order this daggone light bulb. Now what I've been doing, I'll show y'all what I've been doing. I've just rolled with the lights like this. See what I'm saying? I've just been driving like that. Fortunately, it's bright enough at night where you can actually see with the lights just being like that. But I don't know if the police gonna mess with me or what. But I just don't have
you know, $255 right now to buy a bulb for this car. Now I've been looking online and I know I can use an aftermarket bulb for this car, but I also found a website that sells the actual OEM bulb that you can actually get from the dealership for about $150. So I want my headlights to match. I don't want one of my lights brighter than the other one. I don't want anything. I really don't want to put aftermarket bulbs in my car. I really don't. Because especially with these HIDs, I'm gonna go ahead and order that light bulb probably next week. But for right now, I'm gonna have to roll like this or be in the house before 5 o'clock. So if you got a charger with the HIDs, be ready, be prepared to have to change these bulbs out eventually. This is the first time I've even had this issue with my car. I'm pretty sure, I knew it was coming. I mean, the car's almost 4 years old. These HIDs don't last forever, so. But I'm just real leery about putting aftermarket HID bulbs in this car, so that's why I'm gonna go ahead and just order the OEM bulb for it. So I just wanted to let y'all know, man, give you an update on what's going on with the whip. Unfortunately, these damn lights are expensive. I ain't got it right now. I ain't gonna sit here in front like I do, but it's something I definitely gotta take care of. So I just wanted to make you guys aware of how much it's gonna cost if your headlight go out. Don't go to the dealership. They're gonna try to break the bank on you, bruh. $400 just to replace a bulb. Not the whole unit. Not this part right here. Not this whole thing, but just the damn bulb. $400. That's crazy. You know, I might have to just go ahead and put an aftermarket one in there. I don't know. I'm gonna try to ride this out as long as I can. If I get pulled over, I gotta do what I gotta do. But I'm gonna order the bulb next week, put it in myself. And they're saying you have to take this whole front off in order to do it. That's not true. All you gotta do is turn your wheel that way, pop these little rivets out right here, pull this back, and you can reach up in there and change the light. But I'll do a full install video showing you how to replace the bulb. So whenever you gotta do it, you can come right to my video. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to replace the headlight bulbs on the Dodge Charger. But that's pretty much the video for today, man. I just want to give you guys a quick update. This is your first time joining my channel, man. Hit that like button. I appreciate all the new subscribers. I got a lot more coming. You can start ordering the 2020 wide body Hellcats now. So I'm working on my credit so I can get my credit where it needs to be, so we can go ahead and go place that order on that wide body Hellcat. Subscribe, like, comment. I appreciate you guys. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.